Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing unboxing of Xiaomi's latest smartphone, Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus. A big shout out to my friend and tech YouTuber Yunus Ghazali for allowing me to show the unboxing of his video on my channel. Because this smartphone is not available in Dubai and will take long time to reach Dubai, probably next month. I would share links of his channel in the description below. Please do check out his channel. So let's start the video, but before I start, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you'll get notified every time I post a new video. This is the Chinese variant, as the global version is not yet available. The box has Note 11 written in big letters and Pro Plus on the side. This is the 5G variant. You can see 120 watt fast charging is highlighted here, and why not, as this is the main highlight of this smartphone apart from its camera. There is a Redmi logo at the back. This is 8GB RAM and 128GB storage, green color variant. Let's see what's inside the box. Comparing the boxes, Note 11 Pro Plus box is slightly bigger than the regular Note 11, probably because of a bigger charger. There is SIM ejection tool and some paperwork in Chinese. You get a regular silicone case. This is the smartphone. And guys, this is incredible. Big and heavy 120 watt fast charger, which can charge the smartphone in over 15 minutes as per Xiaomi, which is insane. You get a Type A to Type C cable. And here is the smartphone. This is the stunning green color. The color looks really impressive. I have not seen it in person, but looks impressive on camera. In fact, it looks different than the usual green color. On the side is made out of plastic and has a glass back and front. Despite of glass back, I like the matte finish it has, which also makes it look more premium. At the bottom we have stereo speakers. One speaker at the top powered by JBL and will be great for multimedia consumption. You also get main microphones, SIM card tray and USB Type-C slot at the bottom. It has a hybrid SIM slot, so you can use 2 SIM card or 1 SIM card and a microSD card at the same time. On the right side you get a volume rockers and a power button, which is also a fingerprint scanner. The 6.7-inch AMOLED screen with Full HD Plus resolution looks beautiful and impressive with tiny bezels. It supports 120Hz display, which is a bonus. It has Gorilla Glass 5 support, which is an older generation of Gorilla Glass. The smartphone is 8.3mm thick and is easy to hold in the hands as shown in the video. Another good thing is quite light, just 200 grams, which makes it a great choice for daily use. In terms of processor, it has a MediaTek Dimensity 920 chipset, which is an octa-core chip. It's running MIUI 12.5 based on Android 11 right out of the box. Yunus also showed different color options. There is also a pink color, kind of purple, and it also comes in black. The starting price of this smartphone is 1,899 RMB, which is like 1,180 and $300. It has a quad rear camera setup, 108 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel wide angle lens, a 5 megapixel depth sensor, and a 2 megapixel macro sensor. On the front it has a 16 megapixel selfie camera. Thankfully he showed some pictures and videos. This is the portrait selfie, looks quite good with good background separation.
कैमरा से और यहाँ पे थोड़ी सी हवा चल रही है और ये रोड भी है। अगर ये मैं अपनी बात मुकम्मल कर रहा हूँ और ये बात आपको समझ आ रही है इस वीडियो में सुकून से और इसकी क्लियर है, इसकी आवाज़, तो उसका मतलब ये है कि इसकी बिल्ड क्वालिटी अच्छी है। मगर सच ये है कि ये थोड़ा सा मेरे चेहरे पे इतने कुछ भी नहीं है भाई, जितना ये दिखा रहा है ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। मेरी स्किन भी बहुत अच्छी है, ये इसकी वजह से मुझे पता नहीं है कैसे क्यों दिखा रहा है पीछे का जो बहुत ज़्यादा।
The front camera video quality is slightly unnatural and over-processed. The rear camera pictures looks great with a lot of details. Also, the zoom in shots are quite impressive.
रोड पे चल रहा हूँ और इसके बैक कैमरा से वीडियो बना रहा हूँ और ये रिकॉर्डिंग कर रहा हूँ अपनी आवाज़ की। अगर जो लोग व्लॉग बनाना पसंद करते हैं तो इस तरह से देख सकते हैं। ये वीडियो में जो है ये जूम भी कर सकता है ये बनाते वक्त, और ये बैक भी आ सकता है। हेलो दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप लोग? मेरी आवाज़ आपको ठीक से समझ आ रही है? क्लियर है इसकी आवाज़?
The rear camera videos also looks crisp and sharp. I can't wait to test my device, which is coming next month. So that's it guys for this video. Once again, thanks to Yunus for showing this unboxing and hands-on video. I must say the smartphone looks really impressive and will be a popular choice in the coming months. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. See you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye, peace and blessings. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.